Hi, welcome to another session today. Today, I have three things I'm going to be introducing us to. Number one is how you can deal with stubborn columns that refuse to align itself to the data type they belong when you're doing data cleaning. And I'm going to be showing how to do that using what I call text to column tags on Microsoft Excel. Second thing I'm going to be introducing us to today is how you can actually pull out age or ages of your data sets or particular people from birth date column. So the scenario we're going to be looking at is you have a data set that just has the birth date of all the people in the data without their ages. You can actually get their age with writing a simple function known as the date diff or date difference. And lastly, I'm also going to be showing you how you can group or perform age grouping after you have pulled out a particular age or ages from a birthday. And you need this grouping as a data analyst to make some specific insights. So work with me in Microsoft Excel as I unveil all these to you.
Welcome to Microsoft Excel background. So today I'll be showing you, like I said, possible ways you can help yourself to clean that date column on your data sets that is being so difficult to clean when aligning each variables or column headers to the data type they belong. So this is important for you if you're doing data cleaning. Because in data cleaning, one of the things or steps you are going to be performing is aligning all columns or variables to the data type they belong for your analysis. So now I have this date column, birth date, and I'm also supposed to pull out the age. Okay, so I'm trying to change this to a short date because if I filter down here, I'm seeing them appear as text. And you know, one thing about data is text are aligned to the left, while dates and numbers are aligned to the right. You can see some numbers here aligned to the right. So now this birth date is aligned to the left, which makes it lets us know that Excel is seeing this as a text instead of a dot, a date. So what can we do? You can simply go to home and go to this number group under your home tab and then look for what to change it either from what it's here as date, but we can change it as what short or long date. When you do this and you find out that this stuff or what you performed is not pushing it or formatting it to be recognized as date, do not panic. Just simply add first two columns, alternate HIC, okay, alternate HIC, alternate HIC. So add a column, alternate HIC. Add two columns in front of this date. The next thing you're going to be doing is to do what? To perform a task I know as text to columns. Where can you see that? On your data tab, while selecting the column, go to your data tab and then under data tools group, click on text to column, and then we are not going to be doing anything on the delimited. We're going to be saying fixed width. We want it to be fixed. Okay, click next, next, and then what? Date. Day M, that's day, month, year. And when you do that, click on finish. And if this works for you, then you are going to be seeing that it is already formatted to what? To dates. Just like as you can see it here. Okay? So when you do that, quickly what? Delete, select the two columns that you added and what? Delete alternate HDC. Delete them. The reason why I added those two columns was I don't want any data I have here to spill into any column that is not there. So now that I have this done, if you do this and you don't get your date, there is another method of what pulling out your date by what going to what Power Query. I'll be dropping a video on how to do that. Sometimes you can find very stubborn columns that will not listen to you when you ask it to what to format itself to the data type you want. So now the next step I'm going to be doing is simply going to be adding age to extract age of all the people here from their birth dates. So there's a function known as dated if or date diff equal to date diff date if. Okay, I'm going to put a bracket and not select this. Okay, comma. Next is what today. Close the bracket, comma. I want put an inverted commas. I want it to what to show me the year, right? And then close my bracket. Immediately it pulls the ages of all the people here. Okay, so that's what I want to show you. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can also clean your data on Power Query, either on Microsoft Excel or Power BI. Okay, if this video was helpful to you, if you find it educative, please like, share, comment. Thank you. Stay tuned.